Hello everyone! Today I'm reviewing the Sony E11mm f1.8, a super wide-angle lens made for vloggers and content creators. It's lightweight, sharp, and great in low light. But is it really worth it? Let's find out with real-world tests and some sample footages. This lens is made for Sony's APS-C cameras. At 11mm, it gives you about 16.5 full-frame equivalent. It's very lightweight at only 181 grams. The lens has a focus hold button and compact, solid build. Even though it's made of plastic, it doesn't feel cheap. And the f1.8 aperture is great for low light and background bokeh. It can also focus really close, only 15 cm away, which makes it fun for creative shots. For vlogging, this lens is amazing. It's wide enough to fit your face and background. Even when holding the camera by hand, the autofocus is really fast and quiet.
バリエーションでこっからのビューとか最高。なんもうただのボケにしかなってない。
The f1.8 aperture also lets you film in dark places like night streets or cafes. Photos from this lens are very sharp, especially in the center. Even at f1.8, you can get clear result. If you stop down to around f2.8, the edges become sharper too. It's great for landscape, city shots, or wide-angle street photography. Manual focus feels smooth, and it supports linear response, which is good for video shooting. One thing to know, this lens has some barrel distortion, especially when uncorrected. Most cameras fix it automatically, but if you shoot raw, you may need to correct it later. Also, it's not a super budget lens. There are cheaper lenses in market, but they don't have super fast autofocus or focus breathing correction. I think this lens is perfect for vloggers, travelers, or anyone who wants a compact, high-quality, wide-angle lenses. But if you want a lot of background bokeh or do portraits, you might need a longer lens, like 50 or 85. So the Sony E11mm f1.8 is a small but powerful lens. Great for wide shots, sharp images, and vlogging on to go. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See ya!